See question 1. Without finding the decimal representation, we don't have to divide. Okay. Then without dividing, we have to tell whether they are terminating or non-terminating. We don't have to divide. Just by looking, we have to tell whether these numbers, fractions, rational numbers, they are terminating or non-terminating. Do you remember the trick just now? What to do? We don't have to divide, but only look at the denominator. How? If the denominator we have only 2, 5 or 2 and 5, then they will be terminating. So let us start. Remember, our aim, we have to focus on the denominator. Denominator means the one which we write down. The first one, what we have in the denominator? 12. So I hope you still remember how to factorize, splitting, okay, like doing LCM, but we call it splitting. 12, it is even number, so I can divide by 2. 2 into what will be 12? 2 into 6. 6, can I still divide? Yes. By what? By 2. Right? 2 into what? 2 into 3. So here what we have? 2 into 2 into 3. Here we have 2. But here what happened? We have 3. Mix, no? Mix of other number. So if it is a mix of other number, we simply write it is non-terminating. Because remember, terminating should have only 2 or 5. Then here 5. Okay, let it be 10. We can do no directly. 10 in which table you get? Table 2. 2 into what? 2 into 5. 5 up, 5 down. We can divide. So finally we are left 1 by 2. What we have in the denominator? Only 2. So of only 2, what mean that? It is terminating. Right? Because we have only 2 in the denominator. So that is why we can say it is terminating. So you write yourself, okay? It is terminating. And if they say why, remember that because in the denominator, it have only 2. Then 18. 18 you can split it, right? 2 into 9, 3 into 3. Then 30. 30 in which table you get it? In table 3. 3 into what will be 30? 3 into 10. Then 10, 2 into 5. So write 2 into 3 into 3. Down we have 3 into 2 into 5. 3, 3 we can cancel. 2, 2 we can cancel. We are left with what? 3 by 5. Now look at the denominator. What we have? Only 5. So if only 5, it will be what? It will be terminating. Because remember, if they have 2 or 5, they are terminating. Okay, so here we get 5. So that means it is a terminating decimal. 33, we can write 3 into 11, right? 20, 20 we can divide by 2. Yes. 2 into what will be 20? 2 into 10. Class 7 are very good, right? 2 into what will be 10? 2 into 5. So here we can write 2 into 2 into 5. We cannot cancel. Here what we have? We have 2, 2, 5. We have 2 and 5. So since we have 2 and 5, it will be a terminating decimal. 26. Can we divide it? Yes, it is the even number. We can divide by 2, right? 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 3, 13. So no problem. We can write 2 into 13. 25. Which table you get? 5, right? 5 into what? 5 into 5. Here what we have? 5. Here what we have? 5. Do we have any other number down? No. So since we have only 5, this also become a terminating decimal. Okay. 13 we cannot do anything. Let it be there. 27. Which table you get? In table 3. 3 into what will be 27? 3, 9. 9 in which table you get? Again in 3. 3 into what will be 9? 3 into 3. So here what we get in the denominator, we get all 3. But what they say, if we have 2 and 5, they will be terminating. But what do we get? We get 3. So that means this one, it become non-terminating. Because we don't have 2, we don't have 5. Instead, we have 3. So that is the reason it is a non-terminating. So let's examine with this one. 19 we cannot divide with any number. Let it be. 45. In which table you get? In table 5. 5 into what will be 45? 5 into 9. 9 in which table? 3. 3 into what will be 9? 3, 3. So here we can write 5 into 3 into 3. What they say, for terminating we need 5 and 2. But instead of 2, what we have? We have 3. A mix of another number. So if there is mix of another number, what we can say? It is non-terminating. Okay. Then here 71, we cannot do anything, let it be. 75, ending with 5, so we can divide with 5. 5 into what near to 7? 5, 1. 5, 7 minus 5, 2, so 5, 5, 25. Then 5 into 3. So we can write 5 into 5 into 3. Here we see we have 5, 5, but mix of what? Mix 3. What they say, to be terminating, there must be 2 and 5. But here instead of 2, what we get? Instead of 2, we get 3. So a mix of another number. So once it is a mix of another number, it will not become terminating, but it will become non-terminating. Okay, so with that we finish. So remember, look at the denominator. If you have only 2, it will be terminating. If you have only 5, it will be terminating. If you have both 2 and 5, it will also be terminating. But if there is a mix of any other number, then in that case, it will be considered as non-terminating. Please keep that in mind, okay? So sometime to tell whether a number is rational number or not, or sorry, a terminating decimal or not, we don't have to divide. Just by looking, we will know. But for that, you have to learn the table properly. So please learn your maths table properly.